Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to distinguish a real Vivienne Westwood pearl necklace from a fake one. The pearl necklace became very popular thanks to the anime Nana that talks about two girls named Nana. The characters are obsessed with everything Vivienne Westwood. Thanks to the growing popularity of the pearl necklace by Vivienne Westwood, fakes have emerged from everywhere. To avoid people getting scammed, I'm making this video comparing a fake one to a real one. I hope it can help you. I got the real. Now for the fake one, it's a card box as well, full of tape. Here you can see that it's wrapped in plastic and some tape. It has the box. I noticed right immediately a difference. It was very hard to open. On the inside you can see a lot of these paper fillings. The best bag you can see a difference as well. Here is the paper, the exact same, or very similar. Another big difference here, you can see the jewelry is wrapped in plastic. The filling is a little bit different as well. Color-wise they are very similar. The difference is the real one is made from recycled cardboard. The text color on the real one is black and on the fake one is like a petroleum oil type of texture that changes color. Another difference on the text is that the real one is engraved and the fake one is resin. The inside of the fake one doesn't look as neat as the real one, as you can see on the construction look of it. The real one slides better and the fake one is harder to close and open. Again, color-wise is very similar, but the real one is made from recycled cardboard and the fake one is not. The fake one has a worse construction as well. The paper from the inside has a very different color. The real one is more cream and the fake one is white. The paper itself is very different as well. One is very textured and the other is not. The best bag is actually the thing that looks more like to the real one. I'm going even to say that I like the fake one a little bit more, because the logo on the fake one is made from serigraphy and the real one is made from like a iron on a stamp. Construction wise is very similar as well. I don't see any mistakes or anything. The only thing that you can see that is different, the fabric on the real one is a little bit more thick than the fake one. Everything else looks almost identical. I got the gold version of the necklace, and the biggest difference you can see on the fake one is the color of the Swarovski crystals. The real one are gold and the fake one are silver or white. The beads on the real one are a little bit more creamier than the fake one. The fake ones are a little bit more whiter. This is actually the biggest tell you can see on this type of necklace. The biggest difference you can see as well is the first bead that attach the necklace. The real one is a perfect ball and the fake one is not. The clasps are very similar. I actually couldn't see a difference from them. Only the bits that attach them is very different and the biggest tell. Another big tell on the necklace is the backside of the charm. The real one has a lot of texture and the fake one is almost perfectly clean. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!